Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm running a Atlantic press brake here today. It's a 150-ton, 8-foot hydraulic. It's got a 2-axis automatic back gauge. It was just updated a couple months ago. The 150 2-axis. Machine's wired 230 volt 3-phase. It's got a crowning bottom die in it. Start it up here and run it. It's got a slow approach on it. See the back gauge index. It's wired 230 volt 3-phase. Good running machine. If you have any questions, give us a call.